This sun has been burning now for more than 4 billion years, and it's going to be burning for another 4 billion years. So in reality, if we can master the energy behind that, it allows us to be able to have a gas tank to travel to another solar system. What's happening in the sun is a special process called fusion. Fusion is a process in which you take two small atoms and you combine them, and it gives off a very large quantity of energy. It is the most massive return in terms of energy relative to the size of any process that we know of. Water is made of two hydrogen atoms and an oxygen atom, and the reaction that is occurring in the sun behind me is actually using hydrogen. But there's different types of fusion reactions. And what we've learned through experiments is that the easiest reaction to occur is combining two isotopes of hydrogen to give us the equivalent of what happens there. If we can master fusion and use the resources in the ocean, it would give us the energy equivalent to what we consume today that would last about 150 billion years. Longer than the known age of the universe. That to me is just fantastic. And so science right now is looking at this and saying, we want this. We want to be able to have something that's 15 million degrees Celsius, to be in a little bottle. How do we do that? ITER is a combined international effort to control fusion. When I think about the scientific achievements that humanity has done, and the scientific achievements yet to be achieved, the one that's, to me, the most exciting and thrilling is the control of fusion. So right now we are in what we call the pit. This is where our sun will be positioned. In man's attempt to be able to get fusion, we've gone through many different types of machines. And the one that we've settled on here at ITER, but also pretty much worldwide as the most effective, is what we call a tokamak. The shape is a donut, a hollow donut. It's made out of metal, except it's not tabletop size that you can eat. It's going to be filling up this whole environment before us. In a few years, once that gets installed, our miniature sun, 150 million degrees hot, will be sitting right there in front of us. All of this that you see before us is not for my benefit, it's not for your benefit. It's to me, it's a selfless endeavor, because the benefits from this is for our children's children and our children's children's children. I think of my father, who saved money to allow me to go to college. He was putting things in reserve. This is our opportunity to put money in reserve so that our future generations can benefit from a cleaner source of energy, but also from a power source that will hopefully take us to the stars.
现在能看到的效率最高的能量，也就是可控核聚变。但是具体怎么样取得这些突破的话，我认为这确实是一个很复杂的一个问题吧。